This is a bike check update on my Eastern Dragon. It's a 2010. Got some Colt Vans grips, Colt bar ends, S&M Perfect 10 bars, Colt Salvation top load stem, Colt headset, Shadow Voltus forks, Primo Versus rim with an N4 FL hub with built-in hub guards, Primo spokes, and a black stolen plastic peg with a Demolition 235 tire, and Eastern Dragon 2010 frame. I wrought it with the Shadow Crow pivotal seat with a Colt plastic seat post, and Shadow interlock V2 chain, Colt 30 tooth sprocket, Fly Bikes cranks, Odyssey plastic pedals, Shadow Corvus bottom bracket, and 9-tooth Primo mixed hub, another plastic stolen peg, and a Knights rear hub guard, and Primo spokes, Fly Bikes rim with the holes, and a Demolition 220 tire on the back. Yeah, that's my bike check. It's pretty sweet.